Okay, so we're just going to go through the process of making an espresso using COFFEEJACK V2 from start to finish. So before we start, just put a bit of hot boiling water in the top chamber, and this basically just preheats whilst we're preparing the portafilter with the grind. So this goes on. Okay, so I'm going to put 18 grams in here. Normally use a dosing funnel to kind of eliminate any mess, or a distribution tool as well. The reason I'm not doing this, especially with the distribution tool, is to just kind of show you the worst case scenario, because COFFEEJACK V2 is extremely forgiving when it comes to not distributing the grind because of the extraction method. So I've actually got 19 in there. I'll tell you what, let's go for 19. Okay, so now we tap the grind. So we've got the grind in there ready to place onto COFFEEJACK. So I'm just going to get rid of the preheating water, and we'll use the water for the actual extraction now. So we fill the top chamber to the top. There's a reason why this fills upside down, and it's because there's no requirement for a valve to be used in between the shower screen and the main water chamber, and this eliminates a lot of the channeling that might occur, which would result in a weak or unreliable shot. There's more about this on the campaign page if you would like to kind of read into it. So now we've got the portafilter prepared. You can easily turn this upside down. It's never a problem when you've got fresh grind in there and it's tamped to the correct rate. The shower screen connects onto the top of the portafilter. You place this on top of COFFEEJACK, and we've got the holder here that just screws on and connects the portafilter onto the bottom of the machine. So we'll start the extraction process now. So come down a little bit. Okay, so generally start fairly slow just to pre-infuse, and then kind of ramp up, increase the pressure. So if we look on the top pressure gauge now, around 7, go down, yeah, around 7 or 8. Extraction coming out now. And a couple of turns back. And here's the espresso. So you can see, nice thick crema. There we go, very nice espresso shot. If we're going to take a temperature reading on this, bearing in mind portable machines are notoriously bad for heat retention, so you can see on this machine it's coming in at 65.8. Was now 65.7. Right, so that's exceptionally good for a portable machine in terms of heat retention, and the reason for that is the way in which COFFEEJACK version 2 extracts the espresso. It's not an artificial crema. If you have a look on here, generally you'll get a lot of portable machines that kind of lose the crema by now. This is a real espresso shot, something that can truly rival something that you would get in a coffee shop or an expensive commercial machine at home. Thank you.